dumpster rental service in Charlotte, Tennessee. For a high-quality dumpster rental service in Charlotte, Tennessee, Tandem Disposal provides the best solutions for your waste removal needs. Whether you're doing a home renovation, a cleanout, or managing construction debris, we've got the right dumpster for you. Our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures you get the perfect fit for any project, big or small. Focusing on customer satisfaction and reliable service, we simplify waste disposal. At Tandem Disposal, we know how important it is to have a dumpster when you need it, which is why we ensure timely deliveries and pickups. We provide affordable, hassle-free service so you can focus on completing your project without worrying about waste removal. Call us at 615-390-1129 to reserve your dumpster rental in Charlotte, Tennessee. Our team will help you choose the right dumpster for your project and provide expert support. With Tandem Disposal, you can always count on excellent service and a stress-free experience. Let us handle your waste removal so you can concentrate on what matters. Choose Tandem Disposal for a fast, reliable, professional dumpster rental service in Charlotte, Tennessee, backed by excellent customer support.